This video will show you how to use the S2-PLC-CCO. Attention! Electrical equipment can only be installed and maintained by qualified electrical technicians. Please read the user manual before installation and check whether the accessories in the box are complete. Device installation. Select a suitable position to secure the PLC box. PLC CCO Connect. Strip off the insulation as shown below. Use a slot-type screwdriver to press the position. Then insert the A, B, C to the pin 1, 2, 3. Plug the 12V power supply into the PWR-DC12V socket on the PLC CCO. Taking the 4-pin connector as an example, connect the 4-pin connector to COM2 at the bottom of the PLC CCO. Bluetooth connection. After the PLC CCO device is powered on, log in to the Solis Cloud. Application, Me. More tools. Local operation. Connect with Bluetooth. Connected device. The default Bluetooth password is 123456. Basic parameter settings. Click the number of inverters to go to the inverter list page. Inverter address range. You can manually set the address range search to avoid omissions during configuration. Click the inverter. Show the current STA communication parameters that can be set for the inverter's PLC. Click STA communication parameter settings. Please set the relevant parameters of this interface in non-compatible mode, while maintaining consistency with the inverter. Click Whitelist Management. Go back to the home page and click Whitelist to remove and add devices that need to be managed. Connection system setting. CCO communication. Parameter setting. The communication parameter configuration of the PLC CCO internal power carrier module and processor needs to wait for 1 minute after modifying this parameter. Network frequency. The switching time is about 5 minutes each time. Changes are not recommended. Anti-crosstalk function. Set to the on state orange. Only devices on the whitelist are allowed to communicate with PLC CCO. If set to the off state gray, all sub-devices requesting network access are allowed to communicate with PLC CCO through STA network access. Upper computer communication. Communication device for PLC CCO and upper computer data logger. Default use. MUDBuser2 communication. MUDBuser2 communication enable setting. Enable the function and the PLC CCO and upper computer will use the RS485 port. This will disable the MUDBus communication port. MUDBuser2 communication parameter setting. Turn on MUDBus communication parameter setting. Please configure the device address, default gateway, subnet mask and DNS according to the actual situation on site. Local port. Port number of MUDBus. Default to be 502. More settings. Click More settings on the main page to change the password and firmware upgrade function. Click Change Password to change your password. Click Firmware Upgrade. You can select the firmware version to upgrade in the firmware download section. After downloading the firmware package, Please click Downloaded to select the upgrade package you want to upgrade, and click Upgrade to start the upgrade. After the upgrade is successful, other operations can be performed. Field Application. In Field Applications, in order to ensure reliable communication connection, it is recommended to configure the inverter information into the whitelist of the PLC CCO. Special note, after configuring the inverter whitelist, turn on the anti-crosstalk function of PLC CCO. Otherwise PLC CCO cannot search for inverter device information.